Unlock the secrets of West Africa's past as Fact Channels brings you 15 enchanting tales etched in the continent's timeless artifacts, each with its own legend and legacy waiting to be uncovered. Did you know that the Dogon people create intricate wooden granary doors to pass down stories of creation and the cosmos? The Akan drums of Ghana were once used to send coded drum signals, serving as a communication method over long distances. How about the fact that Benin bronzes tell the saga of the Kingdom of Benin, capturing centuries of royal portraits and court life in metal? Igbo-Ukwu artifacts reveal a sophisticated lost culture in Nigeria, with their advanced metallurgy and art dating back to the 9th century. Wooden ball masks from Côte d'Ivoire are more than decorative. They embody spirits used in ceremonies to connect with ancestors. Would you believe that the Yoruba sculpts their divinity Ile-Ife, heads to honor deities and ancestors, reflecting inner spiritual essence? In Mali, Telem figurines were placed in cliffs to protect against evil, remnants of a mysterious ancient culture predating Dogon settlers. Fascinatingly, Sierra Leone's Bundu masks were one of Africa's sole female-led mask traditions, integral to women's initiation rituals. Bamileke beadwork from Cameroon is laborious. Each bead stitches stories, prayers, and protection into royal garments and artifacts. Did you ever imagine Nok terracotta sculptures are among some of Africa's oldest known artworks, mirroring human figures from 500 BCE? One astonishing fact, Ashanti gold weights weren't just currency. They narrated folktales through symbolic forms, teaching morals and history. In Senegal and the Gambia, Jarama textiles woven by wool of craftspeople do not merely clothe but envelop wearers in cultural history. Bakongo Minkisi, figures from the Congo Basin, are ritually empowered objects believed to channel spirits for healing and justice. Remarkably, Liberia's Dan masks feature unique sliding jaws symbolizing speech's power during peace negotiations or conflict resolution. The Lozi people craft vibrant Pichende fabrics, representing royal lineage. In Zambia, each pattern serves as a visual family tree. If you enjoyed the journey of discovery, like and subscribe for more curious insights with Fact Channels.